Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cream ghee, full guide. First, gather 1 quart of high-fat cream and a heavy-bottomed pan, then chill tools for best separation. Heat slowly to separate butter solids, then strain and simmer until golden and fragrant. Cool slightly and store in a clean jar for up to several months. Taste and adjust for nuttiness by extending gentle simmer time. Begin by whipping chilled cream until butter separates and buttermilk pours off, then drain thoroughly. Press the butter to remove trapped liquid and rinse repeatedly with cold water to remove remaining buttermilk. Use a clean cloth or spatula to squeeze out moisture, then break the butter into pieces for even melting. These steps reduce splatter and improve clarity when you simmer to make the ghee. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy cooking with music, try the Echo Dot smart speaker for crisp sound and easy voice control while you kitchen test ghee. It brightens your space and keeps your hands free for stirring and skimming, perfect for timed kitchen work. If you like what you hear, subscribe and like for more tasty guides. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Melt the butter pieces over low heat and let it clarify gently, watching for foam and little brown milk solids on the bottom. Skim off foam to keep the ghee clear and allow the solids to settle before you strain. When the aroma turns nutty and the liquid is clear and golden, remove from heat and let it cool briefly to make straining easier. Strain into a clean jar for storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.